Welcome to Whisper English ASMR. Learn while you sleep. Let's begin with a deep breath in and out. Feel your body sink into the bed, soft and calm. Close your eyes and listen. You don't need to speak, just listen and relax. Let your thoughts drift like clouds in the sky. You are safe. You are calm. You are learning English gently while you sleep. You feel your arms, your legs, your hands relaxed and soft. Let your breath move slowly in and out, in and out, like waves on a beach. Feel the pillow under your head. It supports you softly while you sleep. Breathe slowly. Let go of any tension. Your body is calm. Your mind is open. You are ready to rest, to learn, to relax, to feel peace. Let your thoughts flow like water, quiet and slow. Imagine you are in a warm, quiet room. A little sunlight comes through the window. You are in bed. The sheets are soft and warm. Outside, birds sing softly. The day is just beginning. You are about to wake up. Slowly, gently, you open your eyes. You see the window is open. A soft breeze touches your face. You hear distant sounds. A dog barking. A car driving past. But everything feels calm and safe. There is a soft rug on the floor and a chair in the corner. Your slippers wait beside the bed. They are warm and fuzzy. You feel peaceful, ready to start your day. The air smells clean, a mix of morning dew and sunrise. It is beautiful. The room holds you like a soft hug. This is your space, your calm place. You wake up in the morning. It is 7 o'clock. The sun is shining. You open your eyes slowly. You stretch your arms and smile. It is a new day. You get up and sit on the bed. You feel the floor with your feet, cool and nice. You stand up and walk to the bathroom. You brush your teeth slowly, up and down, up and down. The water is fresh. The toothbrush is soft. wash your face. You look in the mirror. You smile again. It is a good morning. You brush your hair slowly, gently. You feel your face fresh and awake. You take a small towel. You dry your hands. You go to the kitchen. You open the fridge. You take out a banana and some bread. You toast the bread. It smells warm and golden. You make a cup of tea. You add a little milk and a little honey. You sit at the table and eat slowly, calmly. You look out the window. The sky is blue. A bird flies by. You feel the cup in your hands. It is warm. You hear the clock tick, tick, tick. You take a deep breath. The day begins. You go to your room. You choose your clothes. You put on a shirt and pants. You tie your shoes. You check your bag and put in a notebook and a pen. You find your keys. They are on the shelf. You are ready to go. You open the door. You feel the morning air, fresh and light. You step outside. The world is waiting. You hear birds. You see trees. The day is bright. You walk slowly. You smile at your neighbor. You feel happy and calm. Now, let's look at the grammar from the story. We use the present simple for routines, things that you do every day. For example, you wake up. Repeat in your mind. You wake up. You wake up. Wake is the verb. That's the action. You is the subject. You wake up in the morning. Now listen. You brush your teeth. Repeat in your mind. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. Brush is the verb. You brush every day. It's your daily routine. And time words like at 7 o'clock in the morning. These show when the action happened. At night or in the evening. You do these actions every day. Daily words like breakfast, toothbrush, mirror, cup, chair, shirt, shoes. Imagine these words. See them. Feel them. You eat toast. You drink tea. You tie your shoes. You put your keys in your pocket. These are daily routines. They use the present simple tense. Now, let's go back to the story. is your routine. You get up. You brush your teeth. Brush is a present simple verb. You wash your face. You eat breakfast. Eat is another verb in the present simple. You drink tea. Drink is part of your morning routine. Every day is the same. The present simple is for everyday actions. Now, more slowly, you walk to the kitchen. You toast the bread. You sit. You look out the window. You feel calm, peaceful. You go to your room. You get dressed. You tie your shoes. You check your bag. It has everything you need. You are ready for the day. You step outside. The light is soft. The air is fresh. Your steps are quiet, steady, calm. Every action is a present simple verb. You feel it. You know it. You hear it in your mind. Now, let's whisper some phrases together. You can say it softly or think it while you drift off to sleep. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth in the morning. I brush my teeth in the morning. I eat breakfast every day. I eat breakfast every day. I drink tea in the kitchen. I drink tea in the kitchen. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I look out the window. I look out the window. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I check my bag. I check my bag. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I go outside. I go outside. I smile at my neighbor. I smile at my neighbor. And again, very softly. I wake up. I get up. I brush. I eat. I drink. I sit. I walk. I smile. I get dressed. I go outside. I breathe. I feel calm. These are your morning words, your daily words. Let your brain remember them. You can listen again tomorrow. Learn and sleep softly, calmly, gently. Tonight you learned the present simple tense. Daily words like brush, eat, drink, walk, get dressed. Time words like morning, 7 o'clock. And you practiced phrases. You listen English slowly, gently, while you drift off to sleep. Sleep now. Dream of warm mornings. Dream of soft sunshine. Dream of breakfast and tea. Dream of calm days. Your English is growing. Every day it gets stronger. Your grammar and vocabulary is expanding.